So before we resume reading, we will just try to recapitulate once that what we have seen still now about Tansen. We have seen that Tansen was very naughty, and once he tried to just frighten Swami Haridas and his disciples when they were taking rest in a forest, or not a forest, actually a shady grove. And after that, the disciples of Swami Haridas, they discovered that it was not the roar of a tiger, but it was the uh, mischievous activity of a young child. So Swami Haridas, he understood the talent of Tansen, and he also said to Mukundan Misra, father of Tansen, that his son Tansen is not only naughty but quite talented, and he can just make him a very good singer. And after that, we have seen that for 11 years, Tansen learnt music from Swami Haridas. After that, he went to Gwalior to stay with Muhammad Ghaus, and this was the wish of his father, or better to say that it was his dying wish. Mukundan Misra's dying wish was that Tansen must visit Muhammad Ghaus. And while staying with Muhammad Ghaus, there is our Tansen. He very often went to Rani Mriganayani's palace, and there he met the one of the ladies of the court, and her name was Husaini, and he married Husaini, and they had 5 children. All of them were very musical. After that, Tansen's talent was searched out, or better to say, Emperor Akbar. He got quite astonished with this talent of Tansen, and Tansen went to Akbar's court in 1556 and soon became his favorite. And this matter was not taken in a very positive way by the other courtiers. They became quite jealous, and as a result, they just tried to work out a plan. And the plan was like that through Akbar, they would force Tansen to sing the Rag Deepak, because they knew very well, and this was the actually the idea of this Saukat Mia. And because Saukat Mia knew very well that if this Rag Deepak, if it is sung properly, then the singer can just burnt into ashes. This song or this rag, it is having such power, it is such powerful. And Tansen, he didn't have any option other than to agree to sing this rag, because Akbar has shown his faith and confidence upon him. Because Akbar said that of course Tansen can sing any song. So as a result, Tansen didn't have any option in his hand just to say no to Akbar. Even he didn't have the chance to explain Akbar that um, uh, what sort of effects, what sort of better to say, what reaction can be there because of this singing of this rag Deepak. Even the singer can die. He was not able, or he was unable to explain. He was unable to explain this one to Akbar. But he was also very intelligent person. As a result, he knew the way to come out from this situation, or the way to save himself. As a result, he taught Rag Megh properly to his daughter Saraswati and her friend Rupbati, and he instructed them when to start singing that rag. Then let's see what happens next. So the legend goes that on the appointed day, the whole town assembled to hear Tansen sing Rag Deepak. Now the legend means old stories. In most of the cases, the stories are not true. And these stories are about the great personalities or great heroes or heroines. So the meaning of the legend, if you check, you will get that old stories, in most of the cases, the stories are not true, not authentic. So when he began to sing, the air became warm. So on the appointed day, the whole town assembled where where Tansen was about to sing that rag Deepak. And when he started to sing at that time, what happened? The air, it became quite warm. Soon people in the audience were bathed in perspiration. That means they were sweating a lot because they were not able to tolerate that um, harsh environment. My concentration was just broken by something over here. I saw the person who had done that, kindly don't repeat it. Kindly don't repeat that action again. That sharing of screen, don't do that. And try to concentrate here in your lesson. As I was saying, that people, they were not able to tolerate that harsh weather, that warm weather, and they were just sweating a lot. The leaves on the trees dried up and fell to the ground. So the air, it became so hot that the leaves, they dried and they fell down from the trees. And what else happened? As the music continued, birds fell dead because of the heat. So the birds, they were also just falling down. They were also falling down and they were also dying. And even the heat, it was such that it just forced the river water to boil. And the birds fell dead because of the heat, and the water in the rivers began to boil. So the river water, or the better to say the water of the rivers, it started to boil. People cried out in terror as flames shot up out of nowhere and lighted the lamps. And the most astonishing thing happened, which just frightened the audience. What was that? That all of a sudden they saw that from nowhere the flames, they shot up and lighted the lamps. And as it was instructed previously to Saraswati and Rupbati by Tansen, that when he will see the lamps starting to burn, or the lamps they start to burn, at that time he will start singing this rag Megh. So as per the instruction, these two girls, Saraswati and Rupbati, they started to sing rag Megh. At once Saraswati and Rupbati began to sing rag Megh. The sky clouded over and the rain came down. So such powerful was even this rag Megh, that it helped the whole sky to just get covered with cloud, and the rain, it started. Tansen was saved. The story goes that he was very ill after this, and Akbar was sorry that he had caused him so much suffering. So after this incident, Tansen, he became quite ill. And even Akbar, he felt very sorry, because actually he asked him, or he said Tansen to sing this rag Deepak, and as a result only Tansen, he became ill. So he felt very sorry, and he also punished Tansen's enemies. When Tansen got well, the entire city rejoiced, and this shows that how popular Tansen was. When Tansen got well at that time, the people of the city, they were such happy. Tansen remained Akbar's court singer till 1585 when he died. He composed several new rags. Tansen's tomb is in Gwalior. It is a place of pilgrimage for musicians. Now, the meaning of pilgrimage, you know, I think, that the long journeys which are undertaken by the pilgrims. And who are these pilgrims? Pilgrims are the people who travels different places for the religious purpose. They visit different places for religious purpose. They are known as pilgrims, and their journeys are known as pilgrimage. So it is a place of pilgrimage for musicians. Which one? Tansen's tomb. Where it is? It is in Gwalior. So children, with this we have completed this chapter, and today we will discuss the questions and their answers too. Why did Swami Haridas say Tansen was talented? Swami Haridas, he understood that there's such a small boy Tansen, and he was able to imitate the roar of a tiger in such manner that it made others feel quite frightened. That's why he said that Tansen was really quite talented. Why did Akbar ask Tansen to join his court? Akbar was the worshipper of talents, and he was mesmerized with the songs sung by Tansen. As a result, he asked Tansen to join his court to add another Ratna in all those Ratna Bhandar he was having. The the Navaratnas you have heard, I have already said of Akbar, he was having Navaratnas in his court, 9 gems, and this Tansen was one of those 9 gems. Another one is that Birbal. And the rest I have asked you know to search out the names of the rest. Tansen is considered as one of the 9 gems present in Akbar's court. Even I have said the name of Birbal, and I have asked you to search out the rest 7 names. You have not done that. Okay. How do we know that Akbar was fond of Tansen? Abul Fazl, Todarmal, 4 you have got, and the rest 5 you have to get. So, how do we know that Akbar was fond of Tansen? Because we have seen that many a times Akbar just went into Tansen's house just to hear him practicing. Let us come to that place or to that para one. Akbar would call upon Tansen to sing at any time during the day or night. So this can be one reason that Tansen, Akbar, he was such fond of these songs of Tansen that he used to call Tansen every now and then, or it can be during the day or night, whenever he felt, just to sing in front of him. And it is also written quite often he would just walk into Tansen's house. This is being the emperor, he can ask the courtier to come to his court and sing whenever he felt. That is different. But the emperor, that also like Akbar, he is walking into the courtier's house just to hear him practicing. This only proves that how he was fond of this Tansen. Akbar used to visit Tansen's house, who was just a simple courtier of his court, and he loved to listen him practicing. This proves that he was quite fond of Tansen. Another one, he gave many presents to him. This also is another reason. These two reasons you can add. The next question. Why did the other courtiers feel about what did the other courtiers feel about Tansen? The other courtiers, they became quite envious, they became quite jealous, and they were just trying to, or they worked out a plan through which Tansen can be in danger, even he can die. What happens if Rag Deepak is sung properly? Raja Mansingh, Mulla Do Piazza. Yes, correct, correct. Okay, so what happens if Rag Deepak is sung properly? As it has been said over here, that if Rag Deepak is sung properly, then the air will become such warm that as a result, flames from nowhere can come into vision, and they can light up the lamps. And even we have seen that when Tansen was continuing with this rag, at that time the leaves on the trees, they dried and fell down, the birds, they fell dead, and the water in the rivers, they started to boil. And the most astonishing thing, that all of a sudden flames shot up out of nowhere and lighted the lamps. So these are the effects of this Rag Deepak if it is sung properly. Why did Tansen's enemies want him to sing the rag? Tansen's enemies wanted Tansen to sing this rag because they knew it very well that Tansen is a very good singer, and when he will, when he would sing this song properly or this rag properly, at that time the air will become very hot and Tansen will die, because he will not be able to tolerate that harsh weather, and even he would be just burnt into ashes due to the effect of this Rag Deepak. Okay. Why did Tansen agree to sing Rag Deepak? Tansen didn't have any option, because Akbar has shown his confidence and his faith in Tansen or upon Tansen. And he said in front of all that Tansen is such a good singer that he can sing any song. So in that case, Tansen didn't have any option to say no, or he didn't have the scope to explain to the emperor that what can be the effects, or this, better to say, the harsh effects of this rag. If it is sung properly, then the singer can just die, or the singer will be burnt into ashes because of the effect of this rag. What steps did he take to save himself? Tansen just helped Saraswati, his daughter, and Rupbati, his daughter's friend, to that means, better to say in this manner, Tansen taught Saraswati and Rupbati how to sing Rag Megh, because he knew that only Rag Megh, if it is sung properly, then his life can be saved. That's why he said this Saraswati and her friend Rupbati to practice this Rag Megh properly. But before that, he taught these two girls to sing Rag Megh, and they practiced night and day for 2 weeks so that they can sing the rag properly, and Tansen could be saved. Tansen's life could be out of danger. So did this, even another one, even he instructed Saraswati and Rupbati when to sing, or when to start singing this Rag Megh, because he had instructed them that when they will see the lamps had started burning, at that time only they will start singing this Rag Megh. Did his plan work? Yes. His plan had worked successfully. How? When this Saraswati and Rupavati, they saw that flames shot up out from nowhere, or better to say, when Saraswati and Rupavati experienced or saw that the flames shot up out of nowhere and lighted the lamps at that time, they started to sing Rag Megh. And at that time, due to this action of this Rag Megh, the sky, it got just covered with cloud and rain came down. As a result, Tansen's life was saved, or Tansen was saved. So children, with this we have completed this chapter, and also we have discussed the questions and their answers in this class. So if you are having any query, you can ask me right now.